up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new here, my name is Brianna. I do a lot of lifestyle, college, and productivity vlogs. So if that interests you, make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And today's video is going to be all about what is in my purse, what I carry, all of my everyday essentials currently. So I'm very excited to share with you guys this purse, and a quick thank you to teddyblake for partnering with me on today's video and sending me this beautiful bag. I'm obsessed with it. So before we get into what is in my bag, I just want to insert a clip of me unboxing the bag. I really wanted to make sure I captured me unboxing it so that you guys can see the packaging and everything, because I know a lot of people like to see the packaging, and I was super impressed with the packaging. So let's roll the clip of that. Okay, my bag just came in. This is the packaging. It comes in this nice big box, white and black, and their name. And this part is like a little magnet, which is really cute. So you just open it up. And I love the black and white detailing. So it just says teddyblake New York, designer handbags made in Italy with luxury leather. Each teddyblake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. I love that. Here is what it looks. It has just some packaging paper, and it's in this bubble wrap bag. So I love this dust bag. It's really great and really nice quality. So the packaging itself is just a 10 out of 10. And now we'll get into the bag details. teddyblake creates luxurious handbags for every style choice, and mine right here is the Kate style. So I'm going to pop up an overlay of all the other styles you can choose from. They have a great variety selection, different colors, different materials, and you can really find your perfect bag. I'm not even kidding. They have just a ton, and you would think this bag would probably go for $1,000 to $2,000, but their bags range from around like $500, which I know not everyone can afford these type of bags, but if you want a luxurious bag, you can definitely get one without having to pay that luxurious bag price. So I really like that they have just a fair price point, and for the quality of the bag, it's definitely worth it. They also release new collections every month, so definitely you should subscribe to their newsletter and go on the website so that you can get notified when those new collections come in and are released. Another cool thing is they are made in Italy, and with their bags you get to enjoy that luxurious feel because they're made with premium Italian leather, which is great. The bag is so durable. I've already had the bag for a couple of weeks now. I wanted to just obviously use it daily and just obviously put everything in and see how durable it is, which it is very durable, which we'll get into in a couple seconds of everything I'm able to carry in my purse. But I just love how durable it is and how they pay so close attention to making sure that the quality is great and all the detail is perfect so that they can create all of these amazing handbags for literally everyone. And I feel like just the fact that it is made in Italy is so cool, and I'm just so like happy and grateful to have received this from them. So thank you again, teddyblake. If you guys want to check out my bag and find your perfect bag, click the link in the description so you guys can see which one I have. I have the Kate Vitello in the 12-inch in light beige. Like I said, you can click the link in my description to see my bag and also shop to find your perfect bag, and you can enjoy up to 60% off, and with my code TBBrianna20 you can enjoy $20 off your order. So now let's get into my bag and what I carry inside, all of my essentials. So the first thing that I love is this big strap. I'm definitely the type of girl that likes to carry it on my shoulder, but I like that you can also remove the strap if you want to. It's so easy. You can just unclip it here and obviously unclip the other side and carry it like this. Like this. It's really up to you. And I also added this little lock tassel that came inside which is just cute. It adds a little extra detail to it, and I also love that their logo is nice and sleek on the bottom, and the color is perfect. I don't have any bag this color. I have my other bag, which is in black, and my other nude bag, so I felt like this was just the perfect color. This is the light beige, like I said, and then you have the gold detailing, which is really nice. So if you want to open up the bag more, you can unclip these and open it up on the sides, just so you can have more room to get what you need to get. It's really a good, big, nice size bag. So I'm going to now pull out everything that's inside my bag. So there's one big section, and then you have two side pockets, which are pretty deep, and big pockets, which I found really nice and useful, because sometimes when purses have those like inside zippers, they're usually really tiny. So I like that they're big and they're deep enough so you can put quite a lot. So the first thing I'm going to be pulling out is my mask. Obviously now we need a face mask. It's upside down, but this is just a fabric mask, and with these I just wash them after I use them. Simple, easy. Wear your mask, guys, wherever you go. And obviously my keys. So I have this Louis Vuitton card holder pouch attached to my car keys, and I also carry pepper spray at all times just attached to my keys, because you never know. It's really good to carry pepper spray with you just in case you ever need it. It's quick and easy and accessible since you always need your keys. So I have this. Obviously my phone fits in here, and then we have some wet ones. These are antibacterial hand wipes in the fresh scent, so this is just good to carry around with you when you're out and you want to sanitize your hands. And also just don't touch your face. Wear your mask, don't touch your face. And if you're not near like a bathroom and have access to soap and water, this is great to have. I also have this pouch. So I think pouches are so useful when you have like little knickknacks, because I feel like for me, I don't like to just throw them all in here, and then it'll be hard for me to like have to try to find. So I feel like if it's in a pouch, it's easy to just have everything in. And also what's great is some of their bag designs come with pouches as well. So you're gonna get a bag and a pouch for a great fair price. So inside my pouch I carry this perfume stick. This is the YSL Black Opium. This is my favorite perfume scent ever, like hands down the best. So if you don't want to pay for like the full bottle, you can go to Ulta and get the Click and Go. It's just the best scent, so thank me later. And then I carry this Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. It's good to have, but I rely on like wet ones more. I feel like I have this hand cream, which is good, especially now that it is like fall time and like getting into the colder days soon. I love to have lotion on me because I hate when my hands are dry. I have this white little hair clip, which is great because you never know when you're going to need it or when it's going to come in handy. And then I have these two Aquaphors. So I just have one regular. I love using Aquaphor on my lips when they're dry. I feel like they keep them nice and hydrated. And then I have one with SPF, which is good, so you're protecting your lips as well. Next, I have just two different hair ties. So I have one regular one, and then I have one spirally one. I like to use the spirally one like now on days where I have blown out my hair or I have it straight, because I feel like it doesn't mark it as much. And then I have another perfume, and this one is just a mini spray one. This is the Victoria's Secret Tease in the Rebel. I just love having perfume on me because let's say you're going out to eat and you're at a restaurant and you don't want to smell like food and you're going out after. It's good to just touch up with some perfume. So I love those two. So that's all that's in my pouch. And then I also carry a pair of sunglasses. So these are just my Ray-Bans. I carry one in my bag and then one in my car. I feel like it's just great to have different options for different outfits. Like if you know, like sometimes one style just doesn't go well with your outfit, so I like to carry that as well. And then Also, I can fit my camera in here. I was just gonna like try to reach for it, but I'm obviously using it to film. So if I ever was vlogging and I was like going out, I can fit my camera, which is great. And like that's obviously something that I looked for when getting to choose my purse. So that's what I keep in mind all the time. And then now moving on to the 2 zippered pockets. In this one, I just have my Kate Spade wallet, just for like my cash. I don't like to put my cash in my Louis Vuitton one because I don't want it to get super bulky, so I just have my Kate Spade one for my cash and like coins. So that is it. I only keep that and this one, honestly. I just keep that one by itself, and I don't like to keep that in the big space in the middle, so I like to keep that separate in its own like zipper secured pocket. And then in the other one, I obviously carry my charger, especially when I'm going to work. I always bring my charger with me just in case my phone is not like fully charged. And then I also carry my AirPods. Just comes in handy when also like I'm out or I want to watch something or work is not busy. I don't know, I just carry them with me. And they're small, super convenient. So it just fits in that space. And then the last thing I carry in that space is also a pen. I don't know, just a simple black pen. I feel like when you're going out places and you might need a pen to sign something, I feel like it's just great to have on you, because I feel like you won't think that you need one, but then the time will come where you do need one and you don't have one. And it's just nice to have your own pen. I feel like it doesn't take up that much room. It's really just simple and thin. So that is basically everything that comes in my purse. I'm obsessed with it. I like cannot say enough good things about it. I just love how good quality it is, and it literally just is a luxurious, amazing bag. And the price, you guys, you can't beat that, honestly. Like spending $500 rather than $2,000 on a luxurious bag, like it just doesn't get any better than that. And I'm obsessed with this color. I feel like this is just the perfect shade. Just gonna look so cute with so many different outfits. I can't wait to style it and wear a bunch of different ways. Like I said, if you're dressed up, it'll go great with it. If you want to make it more casual, it'll just add a little bit of more personality to the outfit. So that is all that I carry in my bag, all of my current essentials. So definitely click the link in my description to see my bag and also to shop all the other bags that they have so you guys can find your perfect bag. And I know you're gonna love it, guys. I truly do know you guys are gonna love it. And don't forget to use my code, once again, TBBrianna20 for $20 off your order. And thank you again, Teddy Blake, for partnering with me. I cannot say enough great things about this, and I'm literally obsessed, and I get so many compliments with this bag. It's insane. I literally remember the first time I wore it and I went to work, everybody was like, wow, like your bag is so nice. I'm not even kidding. So you guys need to hop on and get on the Teddy Blake wave. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share my channel, and comment down below some of your essentials that you carry with you at all times in your purse. And I will see you guys all in my next video.